You don't like to spend very much money. You like to go cheap.
Yeah. I'm cheap.
Cheap. We looked at the plugs and they're actually smashed. It seems like it's running a lot better.
It's a lot better.
Yeah. Alright, what we gonna do now? Either the brakes or the battery.
Brakes is good. We just more at work, ain't it? Or no,
They about the same, probably. I know one thing, we need to check the transmission fluid.
that's a definite.
Cause I'm curious if the transmission's even working. Maybe we ought to try that before anything.
Yeah, because if it don't move, then shit.
You know
We
what?
ain't did nothing. We listened to it. It sounded good.
Alright, I guess we're gonna try to make room in the garage here. I guess she ain't, but we are. We are. Gonna make some room in the garage here for the truck so we can check the fluid, the transmission fluid. God dang, bro, I'm so damn stupid. Take two. We are making room. Damn it, we're just gonna put this truck in the garage. We're gonna check the transmission fluid. Alright, it's reading on the dipstick, so time to start it up and check it. What's it got, stunt man? You ever watch it?
Yeah. Oh, the burnout guy. Neutral drop.
Yeah, neutral drop. What's it
Get
got?
over here. We pay good money for stuff. I don't. I'm cheap. I buy cheap things. So I get in the truck, I'm moving the shifter. All of a sudden I feel my nice expensive shifter knob just turn and feel weird. So then I messed with it.
You done fixed it.
Look, I done fixed it. There we go. All right. I pay big money, and I'm pretty sure that this is not supposed to come off like this. So we're gonna have to put some glue on this.
Oh, yeah.
It's a dollar store super glue. It's
Nah.
gonna fix this.
It was puking, that's why I was asking.
Huh?
It was puking, that's why I was asking.
I'd said 108.
The fucking house is on fire.
I guess the transmission works.
Yeah.
Alright guys, yesterday we was gonna relocate this battery. We got to putting it in the back here and trying to figure out where we wanted to put it. And then we was thinking about if we ever go drag racing and he has to get tech, he's gonna have to get a cutoff switch. So we'll probably order that and just wait and put the cutoff switch in at the same time. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to get this manual brake kit on. So really, all we gotta do is bend this stuff back a little bit because it's gonna be like right here. So it shouldn't be.
Where's this mount to?
Where's that now? I think it's made. It's like welded onto this bracket.
So when we bought the new one on, this bracket goes with it.
Yeah, we'll just take this
Piece off.
This thing off, and this will actually plug into here, and then you take off this and all that. So it'll just be this on the bracket with these two lines going to here, and then that all should be the same. Hopefully I ain't never done this before, so in theory that works. Who knows?
Well, we hope we got brakes after all of it.
Who needs brakes? Alright, we got the pedal out. Now we just gotta get this pressed in this upper hole. Alright, so our bolts didn't fit in there, so we're gonna have to take this file and ream it out a little bit. That's what it says to do in the instructions anyway, so. Alright, so we're gonna bench bleed this thing. Alright, we finally got those things on there. This is a pain in the ass messing with those brake lines. We took the ABS stuff off of there too. Then we had to re-bend these lines to get them to hook up here. Now we just gotta hook up the master cylinder there and bleed the brakes. No more power brakes. Here's a Mustang.
Another one in my Adams. Hear them all day.
Alright guys, we finished up. There it is. It frees up a lot of space. It looks a lot better too. So now we don't need no vacuum pump or none of that stuff. So now we just got to order the cutoff switch so we can relocate that battery. And got fans to put on. We got plenty of other stuff to do. But a little at a time. It's getting late. I guess that's all we're gonna get done. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.